Time for another ST update. Yay, discs have arrived. That's this side, ready for wheel on. Happy days. Now then, this side, sorry for not showing you it all stripped, but better here. Solid metal, but a lot more surface rust. Hell of a lot. This is what happens under them bloody carpet covers. Obviously you can see I've been scraping, but not rotten, just surface patches. I've worked on a lot worse, so no danger. I had to cut that out. It was an old type with the internal torques, so that had to be cut here, angle grinder with a cutting disc, and then walloped with the hammer. You may or may not know, but my son's been helping me. Some idiot trapped his finger in a wheel. So there we go. That's the start of this side. And I'll show you how it carries on and how we get there. Update later.